Kiang Nangbah Govt College, haka santrik uniu benai, the Lehkmen go yaka lyngkhooh sngi sain namoga foundation day college, wada lalu tila san phanya tuli snem, hajrong osam ya start itip chaki khandro khalot, hagi kerdan wo per. Waya ni Lehkmen de cimbeta lang na duk kiwa sikai, kiwa kre akani college, wa kiwa lai pure. Ke principal yang kani college ke Dr. E.M. Bala, hawa kelam na pesnya ko yes nyaungu ya woro kiwa ementa usain sudang ya kani college, neba langbai kre chitom yang ki, ke college tenang ku go wedaman ke kamaman kat ni. Kani ke college jo yo yarap ko le na rusa, ne te yo ye timit le na NCTE kam go wina perdi santli tau pure, hapo ka Thai not is, yo sedang ya integrated teacher education program, ko waso snem ko sedang no muslim de. We kam wa college yo timit ko na NAAC o arajara rawi, ngai skem go le wa ki wasikai ki lai pure kam jo woro ki wa kre kani college, unang kre chitom jo ki, khnang yo timit ko na ki tuan ki bor. Hawa klam depan kemo ro ga waya gani college te pakala bertuj jaga Kiang Nangbah Govt College House nem kha khandes pa praphaule de bertuj ukla wat kari. Eliang Dr. S.R. Lendam ong wa kat kami lai uti kani college de chong hok yo go itimit nagi boro per. Kisan phanya tulik snem wada lai we ka tau pre ong I kadang slem kat te dang klan tang wa Wyrta bruan kadang slem kat te dang klot dong cho. Waya kam gani sngi yulti wa ga yung sem yong ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College unang penthame go lang ba ia krek lang ikrek stom hajrong kemon utai wong nang pengklan cho ya college. Kiwiwan waklam kentup ya IQAC coordinator u Dr. JP Sharma ke SM HOD education wa ke mawa HOD botany. Hakani sngi Lehkmen de emle ikop periam sentu namoga flower arrangement ibung kup borom ya ki arngut kwalai pure gani college wada poch khmat ag result wada pembana ini wadap wa kentup ya kasalan si poleng BSc mathematics wa ka chandaka biang suciang BSc botany. Nay te da bungkop brom le da ganam Civil Jubilee Award yagi katu kat ni kwasikai wer penchong chit cho igani sngi dai ruai wa ichat na ki khro khlot wa lai pure.
The college is eligible to apply for the ITEP course in BA, BEd, BSc, BEd. I'm very delightful to say that the National Council of Teacher Education NCTE have recognized our institution as one among the 5 institutions in the Northeast India that to start the 4-year integrated teacher education program, and we will start this program from the academic session 2023-2024. I believe Kiang Nangbah Govt College will excel in teacher education program and will benefit the student of our state and also as a country as a whole. We are getting sponsorship also from Wyrta. The scheme sponsored from Wyrta are of great help to the college. I hope that in the near future, Wyrta will continue to help the college and the student of the college will be benefited from such scheme.
The older you grow, the stronger you become. And how to build up this strength for the institutions? How to continue rebuilding the institution from strength to strength? I will give you only one slogan, that is, become an asset to your institutions and not a liability. If you become an asset, you have already learned how to be humbled. And if you become an asset, another virtue should be added to your humility. And you will make this institution shine. I wish I'm the education minister who will address you to Kiang Nangbah family for being a pioneer institution in the state. The height that you have achieved, no one has. Where are those A+ colleges? They have not achieved the height that you are. Where are those integrated courses in those colleges? They don't have. What is there to be proud of? A+, B+, all these things. These have their own parameters for which you are. But you have gone above the NAAC criteria. You have gone above the NAAC manual. I'm asking the principal this morning, who will assess you now? Already you have integrated course. Who will assess you? Which body will come to you? You need a different manual. You need a different parameters. You need a different SOP. You need a different benchmark. So, Madam Principal told me maybe NAC will come and assess us. Even if NAC come and assess you, you are beyond that parameters. I hope you realize this fact. I have gone to many colleges in the state, traveling from length and breadth of the whole state, every district in the state. I have seen the ground reality of education. I have seen and witnessed the problem, the reality, the challenges of the institutions. And if this is the case, I give you a certificate, not with my written hands, with my unwritten hands and soul, that you are the A double plus, not A plus. You deserve A double plus.
Happy